Minamahal kita pagkat nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kitang tapat. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko. Oh, 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 na nasa'yo na ang lahat. Oh, 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 oh.
Do you know what slow-mo is? It's the moment you wish would never end. The one you wish you could freeze forever.
But not all slow-mo moments are happy. But one day, you'll have a slow-mo you'll want to last forever.
So Mia, how long have you liked Danny?
Come on, Mia. We all see it.
Yeah, you stare at her like a championship trophy.
I am not in love with her.
They say when you're in love, you feel like you're floating. But they don't tell you how heavy it feels when you're the only one. They say when you're in love, you feel like you're floating, like happiness is everywhere, like nothing else matters. But they also say it hurts the most when the only one you love doesn't love you back.
She's just my best friend, right?
Class, please attention. Class, meet our new student, Clara. She's smart, funny, and maybe just a little trouble. Try not to scare her off, okay?
And just like that, she appeared. The one who could make her laugh. The one I couldn't compete with.
Whoa Mia, okay, we see you.
Mia, you don't have to say it. I can feel it. I'm not the one she loves.
But I'm just the best friend.
No, Mia. You're the one she slows down for. I've liked you for a long time.
Actually, I've loved you.
It's fine. I'm good at being the best friend.
I didn't say it before, but it always been me.
So I'm not just the best friend?
No, you my girl.
Oh, 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 na nasa'yo na ang lahat. Oh, 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 na nasa'yo na ang lahat. Lahat na mismo nasa'yo. Ang ganda, ang bait, ang talino. Inggit lahat sila sa'yo. Kahit pa itapat man kanino. Kaya nung lumapit ka sa'kin ay bigla akong nahilo. Hindi akalaing sabihin mong ako na yon ang hinahanap.